Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO Reno 10X Zoom to an Android device. Firstly, go into Play Store on both of them and tap on the search bars. Now you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. From this screen over here, just I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on an Android. So accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now select send on OPPO and receive on Android smartphone. Then tap on all of those dots and choose send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time, so I will go with only one photo, just for example. Just send and tap on got it. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on an Android, choosing allow in the pop-up and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here and tap on receive. And now, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!